Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
After you start assigning tasks, you can use the Categorize feature in Outlook to create custom categories based on cases, and then create custom task views to organize tasks based on case. This can be a great way to organize your case and matter workload in Outlook. First, create custom categories in Outlook for the cases and matters to which to assign tasks. Also, note that you can always assign tasks and any other Outlook items to more than one category if needed. So you can add case categories to any existing categorization scheme you are using, and simply categorize your tasks into whichever categories apply. If you need to review how to create new categories, review Lesson 2.7 Categorizing Contacts in an earlier chapter of this tutorial. This time, however, you are creating categories for cases, and then assigning tasks to the case categories you create. After creating the case and matter categories, then categorize your tasks using the case categories you created. Once that is finished, you can then customize the view of your task folder to show the tasks grouped by category to organize the view of your workload by case or matter. To create a custom view of the task folder in Outlook organized by category, click the View tab in the ribbon. Then click the Change View button in the Current View button group. Then select the Manage Views command from the drop-down menu that appears. In the Manage All Views dialog box that then opens, click the New button to the right. Type a name for the new view into the Name of New View field. Name it something like Tasks by Case to help you easily find and apply the view later. Next, select Table from the Type of View list. Below, select who has this view available to them: this folder visible to everyone, this folder visible only to me, or all task folders. Then click the OK button to open the Advanced View Settings dialog box, where you can further customize the view. Click the Columns button in the Advanced View Settings dialog box to then open the Show Columns dialog box. Here, use the drop-down in the upper left corner to choose which set of fields to show in the left list. To move an available field into your new view, select it in the left list, and then click the Add button in the middle of this dialog box to add it into the right list. It is recommended to add the fields for Start Date, Due Date, and Categories for this view, although Due Date and Categories should appear in the view by default. To reorganize a column's position in the right list, click it to select it. Then click the Move Up and Move Down buttons below the list until it is in the place you want. Then click the OK button after adding and organizing the fields in your view. To group the items in the view by category, click the Group By button to open the Group By dialog box. Here, use the drop-down under Group Items By to select the Categories field. Then set whether to sort the group in ascending, meaning A to Z or 1 to 9 order, or descending, meaning Z to A or 9 to 1 order, by selecting the desired Option button at the right end of the field. If desired, you can create further groups by repeating this process for the following Then By fields. You can create groupings by up to 3 fields if needed. When finished, click the OK button to set the grouping for your view. To sort the items in the groups, click the Sort button to open the Sort dialog box. Here you can use the drop-down available under the Sort Items By and Then By sections to indicate by which fields to sort the view. You can sort by up to 4 fields, and they can be sorted in either ascending order or descending order by selecting the desired Option button at the right end of each field. You should select fields for sorting that help you see the most urgent tasks to complete at the top of each case category. Popular choices include Start Date, Due Date, and Priority. Remember to also select a sort order for any fields you choose. When finished, click the OK button to set the view's sorting. At this point, you should have a view that lets you see tasks grouped by category, in this case your cases or matters, and sorts the tasks in each group by your desired field priorities. When you are satisfied with the view's settings, click the OK button in the Advanced View Settings dialog box to return to the Manage All Views dialog box. The name of your new view appears in the list of views in the Manage All Views dialog box. To apply your view, click its name to select it from the list, and then click the Apply View button at the bottom of the dialog box. Another way to apply the view is to simply select the name of the custom view that appears in the Current View button group on the Home tab of the ribbon. To later modify the view you have created, select the name of the view from the listing within the Manage All Views dialog box, and then click the Modify button at the right side of the dialog box. Then make the changes you want and save the changes to the view. To delete the custom view if you no longer need it, select the name of the custom view you created from the listing in the Manage All Views dialog box, and then click the Delete button at the right side of the dialog box. Then click the Yes button in the deletion confirmation message box that appears to finish deleting it. When you finish using the Manage All Views dialog box, click the Close button to close it.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.